Hi, I'm Kelly Mackey Foster, the Staff Development and Detroit Eviction Prevention Director at Lakeshore Legal Aid. Lakeshore Legal Aid is a nonprofit law firm that provides free legal advice and representation to low-income people, seniors, and survivors of domestic violence and sexual assault. Today, I'm going to talk about eviction prevention measures that are put in place during the pandemic. There are two primary protections. The first is COVID emergency rental assistance. That's financial assistance for back rent and utilities. The second is the CDC declaration that prevents evictions for non-payment of rent until June 30th, 2021. You may qualify for one or both, depending on your circumstances. To qualify under the CDC declaration, you have to meet some requirements. The first is based on your income. If you received a stimulus check, you're automatically qualified. If you didn't have any reportable income in 2020, or if you're going to make less than $100,000 in 2021, you qualify based on your income. You also must be unable to pay your rent for one of the following reasons. You had a substantial loss of household income, a loss of work, or a reduction in wages or hours, or you have an unreimbursed medical expense. You must also be making your best effort to make timely partial rent payments. You will still owe back rent when the moratorium expires, so this is very important. You also have to show that you've applied for government assistance to pay for your rent. Lastly, you need to show that an eviction would cause you to be homeless or face housing instability. That means you would have nowhere to go, you'd have to move to a shelter, or you'd have to double up with family and friends. If you think you qualify, you should complete a CDC declaration and give a copy to your landlord and keep a copy for yourself. You can find the declaration at michiganlegalhelp.org or cdc.gov. This moratorium stops evictions for non-payment of rent. However, you may still qualify if your landlord wants to evict you because you're a month-to-month tenant or if your lease has ended. If you're not sure if you qualify, contact Legal Aid. If you've already given your landlord the CDC declaration and they're still moving forward with an eviction, you should also contact Legal Aid as soon as possible. For more information or legal help, please see the resources on the screen. Thank you for watching.